Despite the seasons beginning to change just a little bit, heat of course lingers with us all through September and into October. Our summers are incredibly hot down here, and we need plants that can take the heat all through the hot summer and come out looking good and like they're happy. Here's a great choice. This is a native to Texas. It's called the Texas bush sage, and it's a wonderful, wonderful plant. We don't have a lot of plants that have silver leaves for our landscapes. Silverleaf plants are usually native to dry climates, and our climate is so wet, they oftentimes don't do well here. But this does beautifully. Now you'll notice these delightful lavender flowers. They'll pop out in early summer and then intermittently all through the summer season. The plants are very drought tolerant, so once they've been planted for about a year and they've gotten their root system growing out and they've gotten established, they're really carefree. They're drought tolerant. You never really have to fuss over them. Now these are small young plants. These will get as high as 4 to 6 feet. So you can keep them trimmed if you'd like for a slightly smaller size, but remember the ultimate size these shrubs want to be and place them where that's going to be appropriate. A nice sunny area with excellent drainage works beautifully for these shrubs, and because they're so heat tolerant, you can plant them now even though the weather is still rather hot. The Texican bush sage, a beautiful, beautiful plant, silver foliage, lavender flowers, and a nice low maintenance choice for Louisiana landscapes. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.